In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cite a paper in Zotero. Whether you're working on a research project, putting together an academic paper, or just organizing your sources, Zotero is an incredibly helpful tool for managing references. So let's dive right in. First off, ensure that Zotero is running on your computer. It's essential for the seamless integration with your documents. Now, open Google Docs. Upon launching your document, you'll notice a Zotero menu has been added to the top toolbar. This menu is key to managing your citations directly within your document. Next, let's talk about how to insert a citation. Click on Zotero in the top menu and select Add/Edit Citation. You'll then be prompted to choose your preferred citation style. Zotero supports a variety of styles, including APA, MLA, and Chicago. Select the one that aligns with your requirements. After selecting the style, simply type in the author's name or the paper title you wish to cite. Zotero will pull up a list of potential matches from your library. Pick the correct entry and hit enter. Your citation will be neatly inserted into your document just like that. Now that you're adding citations, you'll eventually want to compile them into a bibliography or a reference list. After you have inserted all necessary citations, again go to the Zotero menu and this time choose Add/Edit Bibliography. This action will automatically generate a reference list based on the citations in your document. It's really that simple. Zotero handles all of the formatting, which lets you focus on writing your content. But what if you need to change the citation style after you've added citations? Zotero makes this easy too. Go back to the Zotero menu and select Document Preferences. Within this menu, you can choose a different citation style. Whether you need to switch to APA 7th edition or MLA 9th edition, Zotero will automatically reformat all your citations to match the new style. This flexibility can save you a lot of time and effort, ensuring that your document always adheres to the correct academic guidelines. In essence, Zotero is a powerful tool that simplifies the often tedious task of citation management. By embedding itself directly into Google Docs, it allows for a seamless experience from citation insertion to bibliography generation. So next time you're drafting a research paper or an academic article, remember that Zotero can assist you in keeping your citations organized and properly formatted. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you feel more confident using Zotero for your citation needs. Thank you for watching and happy writing.